Hey guys, RoonPicker here from the lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Noob by Steel Pinnings, and he made his out of a Schlage mortise cylinder. And you can see he engraved on the lock body, it says Noob, and he has his Steel Pinnings calligraphy signature on there. And we got the mummified key. So let's get this in the vise and see if we can get it open today. Go. And we'll do our standard hook and we'll bring out the SS Dev and 50 thousandths. This is 40, this is 50. Okay. Keep going there. And let's zoom in. Whoop. That way you guys can see. Let's go up a little bit. There we go. And see if we can get this open today. There we go. Now we're into a false set. Maybe this other, maybe. That was not what. Thinking. Okay, let's switch to the other SS Dev. This one's a little bit too thick for my liking. That's a good one. There we go. Now we're making some progress. Not sure what's holding this up. Some movement. Damn. Lost it. lock. Let's switch. Sorry, guys. This challenge lock is putting up a fight. I don't have my hook 7, unfortunately. That's what I use normally with Schlegs, and so I'm having a little bit of an issue. Can't seem to figure this out. Trying to find some counter rotation is what I'm looking for right now. There we go. There's just one pin holding us up. Off my game tonight, guys. Sorry about that. But we did get the open. Okay. We are picked. Oh, I forgot the zoom feature was on. There we go. Okay, let's get this key open. Yeah, so a lot of high cuts typically for a Schleg. Like I said, normally I would be using a hook 7. My hook 7 broke, so I'm making do with what I have. So you can see the bidding on the key. Nothing crazy. Focus. There we go. And then focus. Okay. Camera's acting up. Must be a sign that it's time for me to go to bed, and it's pretty late tonight. Alright, let's put this stuff away and let's get this gutted and see what's inside. Real quickly, let's see. Key works flawlessly. Minor snagging going counterclockwise, but nothing I would be too concerned with. Alright, I need a screwdriver. Oh. Okay, got these off. Get this back plate off. Key in, turn, and get the shim out. Because we never know what's on the inside of these. There we go. 2, 4, 5, 5 pin. So an SC1. Standard, 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 standard. Interesting. I didn't feel any security pins on the key pins, but it's still interesting. A lot of time, that's the most common thing you'll change to make it difficult is on the key pins in the Bible, or in the core, I mean. Oh, so we got T-pin on 1. Stuck spring. Got a crazy looking pin. Got spring on 2. Let's see if I can get that. Let's take this broken hook and see if I can get this out. There we go. Got an awesome looking spool on 3. These are some long springs actually. Got a cool looking T-pin. Let's go back this way, and I don't even know what to call this one. This one's pretty cool looking too. Get these 2 springs out. There we go. Alright, and real quickly, nothing. No mods to the Bible. So, let's get our key in here, bring you guys over, you guys can take a look and see what we got. So you can see we got these awesome looking pins on this lock. Got a lot of like deep serrations and spools on them. We got that T-pin on one and all the standards on the key pins. No mods to the core or Bible, but we do have enough 2, 4, 5, 6. Yep, we have enough mods to qualify as a challenge lock. So great job, Steel Pinnings. Put up a fight, and hope you guys like this content. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.